For young children to prosper in their environment and in their education, they need to feel safe and loved. And as educators, nutritionists, pediatricians, social workers, or any other specialist, we need to reach out to them and give them that help and love that they need to thrive in our environment. The earlier, the better. Once we notice something that may be going on in the child's life, we need to take it on. We need to reach out to our community, we need to reach out to our educators, and we need to reach out to our pediatrician for that child to get safe, to feel loved, and to be able to prosper. We are as a team, and we need to make our future better. And the only way we can do that is starting in early childhood.